I keep hearing this weird noise come from my cupboard, and I don't know what it is. If it was a mouse, she'd be all over it. So I'm afraid to open it. And I don't know what to do. Oh my god. Oh my god. Over, skip it. Oh.